Hello friends, today we are learning 6th standard maths playing with numbers. This is our third topic in playing with numbers. Today we are saying in playing with number, that is factorization. In factorizations we will see two methods, one is prime factorization and one is factorization. Both are same, but it is in a division method and this is in a tree method. So first we will see the definition of what is meant by factorization. Here I written a definition. Factorization means when a number is expressed as a product of its factors. Means when a number is given, you have to find the prime numbers or prime factors of that number. So that prime numbers, when you multiply, that product is coming a given number. So once again, what is the definition? Factorization means when a number is expressed as a product of its factors. You have to find the factors of given number, and when you multiply the factors, you will get the given number. So you can find prime factors of any number. You can find prime factors of any number with the help of factorization method, prime factorization method, or a factor tree method. In both the cases, now we are going to see how it is going to be work and how it is going to be find the answer. Now first we will see factorization. First we will see the factorization. Now, prime factorization, first question 90. Now you have to find the prime factors of 90 by division. So how to find? This is 90. This is the way of finding. Now you have to see 90 is going to be divided by which number? As in earlier class we seen the divisibility test. So what we see in the divisibility test, whatever the given number that we come to know with the help of the definitions, remembering the definitions, which number is going to be divided by which number. So this number is going to be divided by with 2. 2 also, 3 also, and 5 also. So first you have to take a smallest number. So it is easy for us to find. So the 2 is the smallest number, with 2 it is going to be divided. So 2 45s are 90. 2 45s are 90. Now 45 is going to be divided by what? It is going to be divided by 3 also. It is going to be divided by 3. So now we are taking it is going to be divided by 3. So 3 15s are 45. 3 15s are 45. Again 15 is going to be divided by 3 and also 5. So take 3. 3 5s. Now 5 is going to be divided by only 5. 5 1s. Till you will get 1, you have to continue this process with the table. See which number is coming in which table. With that table you have to divide that. So what are the factors? Prime factor, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. Here we are getting all the prime numbers. Here we are getting all the prime numbers. We have to take only the prime numbers for finding the prime factors. So we cannot take a composite number. Only you have to take a prime numbers. Only you have to take a prime numbers. That's why you will see that here all the prime numbers. That's why the name is given prime factorization. Prime factorization. So what are the prime numbers? These factors 2. You have to multiply this all. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. These are the prime factors of 90. These are the prime factors of 90. Now see, when you multiply this, as we see in the product of the factors, these are the factors and product of the factors, so the number will become 90. 2 3 is 6. 6 3 is 18. 18 5 is 90. So what we get? We get the number 90. So this way you can find prime factors of given number. Here we will take one more example, so you will understand that. 70. 70. Same procedure. 72. Again, find the prime numbers, prime factors of the 72. Now this 72 is going to be divided by 2. So 2 36 is 70. we can take first smallest prime number. So it is easy for us. We can go with the bigger also, but it is afterwards difficult. For counting it is difficult. So you can go vice versa. Any table you can take, but that should be of prime number. That should be of prime number. No other number we cannot take. So here 2, 36 is 70. Again 36 is going by the 2. 2, 18. Again 18 is going divided by 2. 2, 9. Now 9 is not divided by 2. It is divided by 3. So 3, 3 is. Again 3 is going to be divided by 1. 3, 1. Still you will get 1. You have to continue this procedure. After that you have to multiply this. If you see this, these all are the prime numbers. So now these are the prime number. Again you have to multiply this all the prime number. You will get a 72. So what are the factors of 72? Prime factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now if you multiply that, the product of these factors is 70. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. And 24 3s are 70. In this way, we can find the prime factors with the prime factorization. So this is called factorization. This is called factorization. Now same number we are taking for the factority. We are taking 19 and 72 to find the factor. So there also you will get these factors only, but the method is different. In 3 way you have to be arranged. This we are arranging in the division method. Now there we have to arrange in a 3 way. Now how to arrange now? First we are going with 90. First we are going with 90. Now what to do? First you have to circle this because it is a starting number. Now you have to put 2 legs or 2 hands to this 90. We are showing in a tree method how the tree is spread. So we are also spreading this number. Now again this number is coming in which table? It coming in a 2 table. Again what I am taking? 2, 45 is a 90. As you get the 2 is a prime number, this is not going to be divided by further, but the 45 is going to be divided by further. So what you have to do? You have to circle this number. Again put 2 hands or 2 legs, whatever you can say, no problem. That is dependent on us. Now again see 45 is coming in which table? 45 coming in which table? 315. So 3, 15. Now 3 is not going to be divided because 3 is a prime number. 15 is going to be divided. The 15 again you have to put here 2 legs or 2 hands, whatever you can say. This is coming in 3, 5. 3 5s are 50. If you see, this is prime number, this is prime number, this is prime number, and this is prime number. Now again you have to write down the factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. These all you have to be right together. All the prime numbers you have to write together and you have to find the product of the prime numbers. So again you have to find the product. This how, what is this? 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 9. In both the case, in prime factorization also, in factority also, you will get the same factors, but the method is different. The method is different. So now this is what we find the prime factors with the help of factor tree. And before what we did, we find the prime factors by factorization. Now we will go for the next number, that is 72. I taken the second example, 72. What is the 72? Again same procedure, 72. Again you have to circle because that is the same main number. Again you have to put a 2 legs or 2 hands, whatever you can say in this way. Now see, 72 will come in which table? As we taken 2 table, 236. 236 you have to start taking with a prime number, so it is easy for you. Now 236 are 72. 236 are 70. Now 2 is a prime number, it is further is not going to be divided. Now this is going to be divided. Now 36 again you have to put here 2 legs or 2 hands. 2 18. Now 2 is again a prime number, it is not going to be divided. Now again you have to take what? 18. What we have to do? 18. Now 2 hands here. What will become 18? 2 9s are 18. Now 2 again prime number and 9 is going to be divided by 3. So 3 3s. 3 3s. So now these are 2 2 2 3 3. These are what? Prime numbers. So what you have to do? We have to check whether the answer is right or wrong with the putting here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now if you find the product of the prime numbers, these are the prime factors. If you find the product of these numbers, so what is the answer? Now we will check whether the answer right or wrong. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and 24 3s are 7. In this way, we find prime factors in two methods. One is prime factorization method and one is factorization. Now next is LCM and HCM. LCM, HCM. So first we see what is LCM. LCM means least common multiple. The full form of LCM is least common multiple, and HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. So here we can find the LCM by prime factorization method, short division method, or listing method. And highest common factor HCF also you can find with a factorization method or listing method or long division method. So we are learning here only one method, that is factorization method, how to find that in a common method. Now LCM is given least common multiple. Now you have to find the least common multiple of two numbers. Least common multiple of two numbers. So here when you find the LCM, suppose I given here find the LCM of 18 and 48. 18 and 48. Now what you have to do? We are finding the LCM by division method. So the question is 18 and 48. Here you have to write. Now please pay more attention. We are finding the LCM by division method. This short division method. So how to find this now? 18 and 48 we written here. Now we have to check in which table they both are going, or this both number will come in which table. They both will be coming in two table. As we know that divisibility test of 2, with the help of divisibility test we can understand the number is going to be divided by which number. So this 18 and 48 both are going to be divided by 2. So first I am writing here 2 9s are 18 and 2 24s are 48. 2 9s are 18, 2 24s are 48. Now next again we have to see these both numbers are going to be divided by which number? The both numbers are going to be divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 20. 3 8s are 20. Now this 3 and this 8 will not come in same table. They both will be coming in different table. So you can take differently. So first we will complete this number. 3 1s are 3. In 3 table 3 is coming, that's why I taken 3 1s are 3. 8 will not come, so you have to write here 8 as it is. 8 as it is. Now the 8 will come in which table? It will be coming 2 table. So this work is over. So you have to put here 1 as it is. Now 2 4s are 8. Again this is over 1 as it is, and this is 2 2s are 4. Again 1 as it is, 2 1s are 1. So still you will get 1 1. You have to continue this process and see which number is coming for that number, means which table the number is going. So here 2 9s are 18, 2 24s are 48. They both are going with the 2 table. So I taken directly 2 here. But 9 and 24 again they are not going in a 2 table, but it is going in a 3 table. That's why I taken a 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24. After that what happened? If you are seeing here 3 and 8 they both are not coming into the same table. So that time you have to go in a different table. For LCM, for least common multiple, you have to go for the different. Table. So this 3 is going in a 3 table. So 3 1s are 3. This 8 is not going, so 8 as it is. Now the 3 is, the work of 3 is over because we get here 1. So here we have to stop with this 3. Now the remaining is 8. Now 8 will be coming in 2 table. 2 4s are 8. Now 4 is there. Again this 4 is coming in a 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 is left and 2 1s are 2. So now these are the prime numbers. These numbers you have to multiply. So you will get the LCM of 18 and 48. LCM of 18 and 48. Now how to multiply this all number? 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. So here I am writing 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Please once again, here 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now you multiply these all numbers. When you multiply that all numbers, so 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72, and 72 2s are 144. 144. So 144 is LCM of 18 and 48. 18 and 48. So 144 is the LCM of 18 and 44. If the calculation is not coming, so you can multiply 2 number and you have to go forward. Please, if the multiplication is not coming together, so you have to take 2 2 3 3 digits together, number and multiply and go. Here once again, these all numbers you have to multiply. After this multiplying, whatever the answer is coming, that is the LCM of this 18 and 48. So 144 is the LCM of 18 and 48. So we can find the LCM of 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers. That is depend upon the question, how many numbers they given. That is our depend. Now the same numbers we are taking for the HCF. Find the HCF of 18 and 48. Now what is the difference in HCF and LCM? I will tell you. So here I will tell you what is the difference between this LCM and HCF. The same numbers I take. Now find the HCF of 18 and 48. Same way we will take. Now as you taken here 2, here also you can take it at 2. 2 9s are 2 24. Next, they both is coming in 3 table. 3 3s are 3 8s. Now here you have to be stopped for HCF. Why? In HCF you have to take the number which are coming in same table. If that both the numbers or whatever the numbers are given, that both the numbers are not going in same table, we cannot process this procedure here. But what we did, we get one way process. Continuously we did this method. Here you cannot do that method. You have to stop here because this 3 and 8 is not coming in same table. So that's why you have to stop this procedure and you have to only multiply these 2 numbers. So 2 into 3. What is 2 into 3? 6. So 6 is HCF of 18 and 48. So in this way we can find LCM and HCF. So find factorization method we find this, short division method we find that what is the LCM and what is the HCF. We can find any number LCM and any number HCF, but we require minimum 2 numbers to find the LCM and to find the HCF. We cannot find LCM of 1 number, we cannot find HCF of 1 number. Minimum we require 2 numbers, maximum any numbers we can take it. So the same number I taken here 18 and 48, 18 and 48. So you can understand. In LCM what we did, we continue the procedure till we will get here 1 down. If both the numbers are not coming in same table, we taken that into different. But in HCF we cannot do like that. Whenever both the numbers means given numbers are not going in one table, you have to be stopped there, and whatever the prime numbers you get, that number you have to multiply. So you will get the HCF. Okay dear. Now today what we learn? We learn here prime factorization and factor tree. Afterwards we learn LCM and HCF of short division method. There are so many methods to find LCM and HCF. This is one method, one is listing method, and one is multiplication method for the LCM also, and one long division for the HCF. So there are so many methods. So today we learn only one method. Okay dear? Thank you.